Today we are going to follow along with Wyatt as he teaches you how to solvent weld Uponor ChlorFIT Schedule 80 Corzan CPVC. An important note on safety first, be sure to comply with all governing codes, standards, and regulation on the proper and safe use of solvent cement. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment PPE, including safety glasses with side shields and rubber gloves. Avoid skin and eye contact with solvent cement and make sure to perform the solvent weld in a properly ventilated area. We will start with pipe preparation. You will begin by deburring the inside edge of the pipe. You will then move on to chamfer the outside edge of the pipe. After deburring and chamfering, you will then clean the pipe and fitting with an approved cleaner designed specifically for Schedule 80 CPVC. Next, you'll measure your fitting hub depth. You will then mark your fitting hub depth on the pipe. Add a second mark 2 inches past the first mark to ensure that there is at least one mark visible after the weld is complete. Fit the pipe and the fitting prior to applying the primer and cement. The pipe should go 1/3 to 2/3 of the way into the fitting. Now we'll move on to primer and solvent cement application. You will apply the primer in the following order. First inside the fitting, next on the pipe exterior, and then again to the inside of the fitting. You will now immediately apply the cement. Apply a liberal coat to the pipe exterior and beyond the fitting depth. You will also apply the cement to the fitting interior. Ensure a thin coat of cement inside the fitting to prevent puddling, which can cause a weakening of the connection and potential failure. Finally, you will add another coat of cement to the pipe exterior. Assemble the parts quickly. Ensure the cement is fluid. Dried cement cannot be recoated. Ensure the pipe bottoms out inside the fitting and hold tightly to ensure the pipe does not push back out. You'll want to make sure to wipe off any excess cement. You will now have successfully completed a solvent weld of Uponor ChlorFIT Schedule 80 Corzan CPVC. Refer to these charts for general setup and cure time guidelines. Note that these times vary depending on the solvent cement manufacturer, so it's important to reference the manufacturer's guidelines for exact times. Here are a few key points to remember when making connections in cold weather. And here are a few key points to remember when making connections in hot weather.